Hello vintage outboard motor fans, this is T-Mike here in South Louisiana making a video today on the Rosey motor barrel test. She's a 1973 25 horsepower. I've got her completely restored, painted, car job, ignition, coils, points, condensers, thermostat, everything done. I'm waiting on the starter rope and the handle to be finished with it, so I thought I'd give her a barrel test this morning. This is going to be a warm start. I've been running her. She runs pretty darn good. Everybody's ready. Here we go. Watch how good this motor starts. Let's see if we can start her with the starter rope. I would say she passes the test on the barrel test. Rosey, your motor looks beautiful. Not quite finished yet. I'll let you know when she's ready to be picked up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.